Let me ask you a real question. When you look at your financials, do you feel calm? Or do you feel that little knot in your stomach? Because what keeps business owners up at 2 a.m. isn't marketing. It's the fear the numbers are wrong, or worse, manipulated. That's why developing internal controls to prevent financial statement fraud using AI matters in 2026. Not to be fancy, to stay safe, to stay sane. Here are the first protections. Number 1. Segregation of duties. No single person should control vendors, approvals, and payments. Number 2. Least privilege access. Lock down banking and accounting roles so mistakes can't become disasters. Number 3. Bank reconciliation best practices. Match the bank to the books weekly, not sometime later. Number 4. Approval limits and dual approval. Set a dollar limit where 2 people must approve. Big payments should never be one click and done. Number 5. Audit trail review. Turn on logs so changes can't hide. Number 6. A short weekly management review. Cash balance, profit trend, margins, and weird expenses. Simple review, big protection. And number 7. A simple private way for staff to report concerns. People often notice problems early. They just don't know how to say it safely. Now here's the 2026 advantage. Use monitoring to flag what humans miss. Duplicate payments, new vendors, vendor bank detail changes, odd refunds, and suspicious month-end adjustments. That's practical financial statement fraud detection. Now you might be thinking, okay, but which AI should I use? Here's the simple rule. Pick it based on where your numbers live. If you export CSV or Excel and want a weekly red flag list fast, use ChatGPT with data analysis. If your business runs in Google Sheets, use Gemini inside Sheets. If you're in Excel all day, use Copilot in Excel. Your controls are the lock on the door. And don't ignore accounts payable. That's the hot zone, because money goes out fast. So add accounts payable internal controls, vendor approval, duplicate checks, and alerts for payments that sit just under your approval limit. Quick personal story. When I built my first business, I made the classic mistake. I trusted one reliable person with too many money tasks. Profit looked okay, but cash felt tight. Later, we found duplicate payments that didn't match real invoices. The fix wasn't panic. It wasn't blame. It was a system. Because trust is not a control. A system is a control. If you want a peaceful mind in 2026, build the boring controls and let the tools watch the patterns. Want more street-smart, simple systems like this? Join Street Smart Business Secrets, streetsmartbusinesssecrets.com.